So almost a flat tire. Okay, look at that. So gonna use this pump, air pump, foot pump, right? So let's see how it works. Usually I just purchased it for my bike, but I will try to use this one to my car, this tire. A little bent. Okay, now what measure? This one. Out, okay, so this is almost completely flat. Now try again. Okay, it came out more. So that means it worked. Almost 20, I believe. So I can bring my car here to the gas station. They can put more air there at least. If it's completely flat, at least this works to put some air here. I can put all the air until like 35 psi, which is perfectly normal, but I don't want to spend too much time here.